What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best 3D printers in 2021. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. If you're looking for a solid performance at the lowest possible price, we have singled out Anycubic Photon Mono as the best budget 3D printer that can be found on the market in 2021. Photon Mono clearly marks the new territory for Anycubic. The overall design of this printer is excellent. Photon Mono is rather quiet when in operation and leaves almost no odor. You will only hear the Z motor when the layer changes, but it's more of a low mid-range buzz than any kind of noise. Unlike any other similar printers, the cooling fans are not intense or excessively noisy. Furthermore, the onboard Photon Workshop slicer software is quite easy to use. It has preset settings for Anycubic printers, but you can create profiles for any printer you want. The most prominent feature of the Photon Mono is its monochrome LCD, which complements the printing speed. Standard resins can be processed with a waiting time of about 2 seconds. Anycubic Photon Mono boasts 2.5 times faster printing than other 3D printers of this price range, and we love it. Thanks to the LCD monochromatic screen of 6.08 inches, users will be able to save both material and money, while service life is even 4 times longer than the competition. It also lets in more light, which in turn gives you the option of using shorter resin exposure times. And yes, all of this on a budget. We told you it rocks. Now, in terms of print speed, the exposure time is around 1.5 to 2 seconds, while the maximum print speed is 60 mm per hour. The shorter exposure time also comes with the advantage that the screen has a significantly longer lifespan before it wears out. Also, the new features have been added to the software, so it supports up to 8K compression, fast cut, hollow, split model, and others. It's also compatible with other laminators such as the Chituboc. The 7-axis is supported by double linear rails, a stepper motor, and a combination of loose nuts that dramatically improve stability in motion and reduce the risk of misprints. The new matrix light source has been redesigned and consists of several UV LED lights that offer a more even exposure. This improves accuracy and also shortens the exposure time, while also reducing the printing time. For the listed price, color us impressed. If you're looking for the top bang for the buck, we say pay attention, folks. We present to you the FlashForge Finder 3D printer, which has quite rightly taken the title of the best value 3D printer that you can find in the market in 2021. FlashForge Finder 3D printer is a plug-and-play 3D printer. To start using it, you just need to take it out of the box, remove the protection, and calibrate the platform using the touchscreen. Everything is clearly explained in the manual, and you only need a few minutes to get everything on the move. FlashForge Finder 3D printer has print quality on par with significantly more expensive 3D printers, which can print in a layer resolution of 50 microns. It's also quite fast, printing up to 24 cubic centimeters of PLA in just 1 hour. Another point where FlashForge Finder stands out is that it's very quiet. We already know that noise is one of the improvement points of many 3D printers of the new generation. However, the FlashForge Finder is among the quickest devices on the market right now, with about 50 decibels of noise during operation. To make the user experience even smoother and more pleasant, FlashForge Finder has a 3.5-inch touchscreen. It offers connectivity via USB port, SD card, and even via Wi-Fi. The device is compatible with many of the most popular commercial programs and has its own app. The product is robust, silent, and fast. It's a 3D printer that can print in a very high resolution. Of course, it must be taken into account that this device has 2 important limitations: the limited printing area and the fact that it supports only one type of filament. The first thing that catches your eye when you take the FlashForge Finder out of the box is its semi-enclosed design, which looks quite compact and in 2 colors, black and maroon. The size is quite small, which makes it perfect to have almost anywhere in the house. It does not take up more than a typical TV for small bedrooms. In this price range, you really can't beat this guy. The next product on our list for today is the Lulzbot Mini 2, aimed at all you folks full of enthusiasm, ideas, and energy. Yep, this is the best enthusiast 3D printer that can be found on the market in 2021. Lulzbot Mini 2 is a new professional version of the company's product series and arrives stronger than ever, highlighting new improvements over the previous edition. For example, we love the LCD screen that also contains the option for the volume of 3D printing. This 3D printer will perfectly be used by architects, designers, engineers, various manufacturers, and all those who deal with household chores and want an easy-to-use printer. New features such as self-leveling, self-cleaning, easy-to-carry handles, new software, and a low-maintenance PI print surface allow you to focus on other tasks while your 3D printer is done. The Lulzbot Mini 2 includes one of the best extruders on the market that guarantees quality 3D printing, and above all, reliability. We are looking at the E3D Titan Aero extruder. Note that all Lulzbot products boast free software and open hardware at the same time. Therefore, the Lulzbot Mini 2 shares proven super developed technology, meaning that users are free to take on the best and latest technology that is evolving throughout the 3D printing industry, from new and innovative software programs to a variety of experimental materials. Good stuff. Thanks to the simple plug-and-play functions, you'll be able to start 3D printing in just a few minutes. Also, there is a specially designed software, the Cura Lulzbot Edition, which offers a variety of pre-configured profiles for more than 30 materials. In order to achieve as much work as possible, the Lulzbot Mini 2 comes with premium polymer bearings and Trinamic TMC 2130 stepper motor drivers. This way, users will be able to enjoy the silence and smoothness of this fella whether in a library, office, classroom, or just about anywhere else. The Lulzbot Mini 2 3D printer comes in the size of 22.5 by 20.1 by 17.7 inches, as well as a weight of 3.5 ounces. Above all, the price is fair, so you don't have to spend a fortune and have major regrets in case your enthusiasm wanes after a while. A thumbs up from here. We reached second place for today and the silver medal, which goes to Monoprice Voxel. Voxel is a user-friendly, unique, and beginner-friendly 3D printer with a simple menu on a 2.8-inch color display that brings 3D printing closer to a wide range of users. The printer has an integrated 8GB memory for storing 3D models, plus a USB port, Wi-Fi connection with a hotspot function, so you can connect to a computer and monitor printing using the built-in camera. The device comes complete with 3D model samples and fibers, allowing you to print within minutes of unpacking. Unlike many other 3D printers where you need a bunch of tools and 20 to 40 minutes just to replace the nozzle art, Voxel has a quick change nozzle, with a nozzle that you can replace in seconds with 0 additional tools. It also boasts very easy removal. All you need to do is just remove the part and bend it slightly to release the model from the holder. Also, if the printed circuit board is damaged, you can easily replace it. After completing one project, you can immediately replace the roller with another to reprint immediately. Easy, smooth, time-saving. Monoprice Voxel also boasts a variety of easy-to-adjust features. For example, thanks to the supported leveling system, you only need to use the touchscreen for calibration, and you'll be all set in just a few basic steps. There is also the option of Automatic Fiber Addition that'll make it even easier for users to replenish fiber. Insert the thread into the assigned slot on the printer and press the Add Thread command in the touchscreen menu. Furthermore, the built-in sensor detects a low charge level and pauses printing in progress until you add a new thread. The package also includes a heated, removable printing plate, quick change gearbox, an AC connection cable, a screwdriver, fiber tool, the nozzle cleaning kit, one grease pack, and an Allen key. The Monoprice Voxel 3D printer comes in the size of 19.6 by 16.9 by 20.2 inches, as well as a weight of 28.4 pounds. And finally, after carefully summarizing all the factors, we can freely conclude that the Dremel Digilab 3D45 3D printer is the best overall 3D printer that can be found on the market in 2021. Dremel Digilab 3D45 3D printer offers flexibility and reliability to meet the demands of advanced users, creative spaces, and industrial jobs that benefit from advanced FDM 3D printing. Whether the goal is to develop prototypes for innovative biomedical devices or sculptural works of art, the 3D45 quickly produces accurately printed models in a safe and easy package. The 3D45 boasts an improved, new extruder that minimizes all the unwanted downtime. It's designed to handle all thread materials without the need to change any parts before getting down to work. The device automatically adjusts the printer settings based on the type of filament used and eliminates the need to relaminate files for each filament type. Thanks to the integrated camera, users can easily control the printing project. For example, teachers can monitor 3D printing with their students in real time by accessing IP camera addresses. Very nifty. To allow users to quickly and easily switch from design to 3D print objects, the device offers new Dremel Digilab 3D Slicer software for convenient and intuitive lamination of a print file. The software is also compatible with the older models of the series. Also, the 3D45 allows you to print any material with a 1.7mm 3D thread. It has an easily removable glass plate that can be heated up to 100 degrees Celsius, as well as a metal nozzle that heats up to 280 degrees Celsius. To help users navigate the desired features as quickly and conveniently as possible, the Dremel Digilab 3D45 3D printer comes with a 5-inch color touchscreen that features an intuitive interface. With the included software, you can easily connect the printer to Wi-Fi and send the desired prints from anywhere. And with the built-in HD camera, you'll also be able to monitor the prints. You'll get premium features here at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.